friends! In today's video I'm creating a weekly journal spread in my 8x8 Tiefossi creative journal using my printable sticker kit called Nature's Magic. The sticker kit is available in my Patreon shop if anyone would like to purchase it. And this is the journal I'll be using. It's a beautiful journal this. I've got a link for it in the description box. And this is the kit. These are the stickers. I've cut them all out and put them onto sticker backing. But if you've got a cutting machine, you won't have to do this step. In this kit, there's loads of stickers and they're beautiful. I can't wait to do this spread with this kit. So let's begin. I'll show you what else I'll be using. I've got this paper here that I got from Journal Say. I'm going to use this, I think. I've grabbed a corner punch and I've got these washi tapes that match really well with the stickers. I've also got this washi tape. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. And I've got some scissors and a craft knife, and I've also got my gyro cut. So these are the things I'm going to be using today. So let's get into doing the spread. I'm going to create a weekly spread. I'm going to do one page for each day of the week, and I'm going to do some Dutch doors. So I'm going to count out how many Dutch doors I need. So I'm going to do 3. So I need 3 pages. And I'm going to start on the back page today. I've got the 3. So now we're going to start on this page. I'm going to take this paper I've got and I'm going to rip it because I don't want it to fill the whole page. So I'm just going to rip it. I like the look of ripped paper. I'm just going to rip it a little bit more. Like this. And I'm going to lay this down here, right up to the edge. So I'm going to grab a tape runner. I'm just going to put tape runner all over the back of this bit of paper and stick it down. Paper is a great way of decorating your journal. You can use whatever papers you like. I've even used wrapping paper before now. I'm going to put it right up to the edge. I just need a little bit more tape on the bottom bit here. And I think I might turn my journal around. It might make it a little bit easier for me. So I'm going to stick this down here, get it right up to the edge. Like this. And now I'm just going to get some scissors and trim the bits that are hanging over the edge. I'll just take my big scissors. It's a lot easier with big scissors. Let me know in the comments if you use your creative journal as a diary like I do, or do you use it as a planner? Let me know, I'm interested. Alright, so I've trimmed that off. So I'll turn it round. Oh, I like how that's looking. I'm going to take my corner punch. I'm just going to round the corners to make it look a little bit neater. So I'm using this one. I got this from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box for you. Clip it there. And I'll just do this one. There we are. I like that. I'm going to leave that page now, for now, and then I'm going to move on and do the first Dutch door. So let's have a look at the stickers and see which one I'm going to use for the first Dutch door. I think I used this girl. She's beautiful. And I love the colours in this kit. So I'm going to put this one here at the very top. Like this. I'm going to lay her down there. I'll turn my journal and I'll choose a washi tape. I'm going to use this one, and I think I'm going to put it here. I might move it down a little bit more. I think I'll start the first Dutch door here. So I'm just going to lay it down and trim this bit off. And then I'll trim this bit off as well. Right, I'm going to put a cutting mat underneath the page. I'm doing that so I don't cut into the page underneath. But I'm going to very, very lightly cut along here to remove the washi tape from on top of this girl. Like that. Dutch doors are a fun way to add an interactive element to your journal. I love creating Dutch doors in my journal. Now, regular viewers will know that I always do Dutch doors, but if you'd like me to do a weekly spread without Dutch doors, let me know in the comments. I always read your comments and I always take your ideas on board. I'm going to take my gyro cut and I'm going to now cut round this sticker. I'm pressing hard because I want to remove the page. So I'll go round her, right up to the edge, like this. And as you can see, the page is coming away. I'm going to take the gyro cut and just go around this bit. And now I'm just going to grab my scissors and I'm going to cut along the edge of the washi tape with scissors. Like this. I prefer to use scissors when I'm cutting straight lines because I think it does a neater job than the gyro cut. But the gyro cut's brilliant for cutting around different shapes. Right, I'm going to take this away, and as you can see the paper underneath, and that's your first Dutch door. So I'm going to do the back side of it now. So I'm going to turn it round my journal, like this, and I'm going to put washi tape down first this time. And I'm going to get it right up to the edge, like this. Just making it a little bit straighter. Like that. And I'll just trim this bit off. I'm going to trim this bit off as well. Right, now I need to grab the other sticker. This one here, it's the same image, but I've flipped it. So I'm going to put it here and it will fit perfectly on this side. Like that. Let's have a look at it now. And that's the first Dutch door done. There's the front. And there's the back. I really like that. Right, we'll move on now. I'm going to put a little bit of washi tape here so I know when I close the page where that washi tape ends. So then I know where to line up my next piece of washi tape. So I'm going to turn my journal again, and as you can see the washi tape's poking out. So now I'm going to take this washi tape, I'm going to put it right up to that one, overlapping it a very little bit, like that. Yeah, that's going to be perfect, I think. I'm just going to make it a little bit straighter. I'm just going to trim this bit off here now. I'm going to leave this bit here at the top as a marker again, and I'll take this one away. Right, let's choose the next sticker for the next Dutch door. I think I'll take this girl next. Very pretty, these stickers, aren't they? I really like the way they dress these girls. I'm gonna see whereabouts to put this one. About here. And I'm gonna stick it down here. Right, I'm gonna take my cutting mat. I'm gonna put it underneath the page. And I'm going to cut around the girl with a gyro cut like I did with the last Dutch door. When you're doing this bit, you press hard. If you've never used a gyro cut before, when you first get one, it takes a bit of practice. When I first got a gyro cut, I thought, oh, there's no way I'm going to get the hang of this. But you just pick it up really easy. The more you use it, the better you get at it. Like anything in life, really. The more you do it, the better you get. Now I'm going to go along the washi tape with my scissors. Now remove this bit of the page. And that's going to be the front of that Dutch door done. It's looking good, isn't it? And now what I'll do is trim this top bit off. And that's the front of that Dutch door done. Really like that, how it's turning out. So now we need to do the back of this Dutch door. So again, I'll turn the journal around. I'm going to take this clip and clip the page down. And then just like the other one, I'm going to lay the washi tape right up to the edge, like this. Smooth it down. And we'll trim these bits off. Right, I'm going to take this other sticker here, which is the same girl, but the image has been flipped, and I'm going to put her down. It is the girl, isn't it? Yeah, it is the right girl. Right, I'm going to lay her down here, like that. And that's that Dutch door done. So we've now got two fully finished Dutch doors. I'm going to put this little bit of washi tape here, again as a marker. And we'll do the next Dutch door now. that's all the Dutch doors done. So we've got 3 Dutch doors, and now we can get into decorating the pages. So let's have a look at the stickers. I'm going to use this big sticker here. I like to build around one main focal point, and this sticker is so stunning. I'm going to lay it down here in this corner. It's beautiful, beautiful sticker. And I love the colours of this spread. So as you can see, it's already coming together. I'm going to add a day sticker at the top. So this page is going to be for Monday. I'm going to put the sticker here in this corner. And now I'm going to add some boxes. Let's have a look at all the boxes. Got loads of boxes here. I think I'll take this one. It's really nice, this one. It's got a beautiful butterfly on it. So I'm going to put this at the top of the page here. If you haven't seen my videos before, I add boxes in this journal. I use it as a diary, so I put things like important things that have happened that day, or what the weather was like that day. If you use your creative journal as a planner, you could put appointments in the boxes, or the main to-dos for that day. I'm going to add another box here. And I'm going to take this dragonfly and I'm going to add it onto this box. Like that. And that looks really pretty. Let's have a look what else I've got. I'm going to add a little one as well. I like how that's looking. I will come back to this page, but I'm going to move on to the next one. I'm going to put a day sticker down. When creating this sticker kit, I made sure the day stickers match the other stickers. So all the colours are the same. I'm going to add some boxes on this page as well. I'm going to take this one with this lovely squirrel. I'm going to put it here. I think I'll put it at the bottom here. And I think I might add another box at the top. Might take this plain one. I'll put it in this top corner here. Let's have a look at the stickers. I'd like to add a little sticker with it. Might take this mushroom and place it down here. Like that. Right, I think I'll move on to the next page. I always come back to the pages and add a bit more on there at the end. So I'm going to take the day sticker. So we've got Wednesday. Right, I want to add some boxes to this page as well. So I'm going to take this one. And I'll place this one at the top here. And we're going to put another one at the very bottom. Let's have a look. I'll take this pink one and lay it down here. I'll probably come back and add some more stickers to this page, but I'm going to move on to the next one now. So I'll put the day sticker down first like I have done with the other pages. I'll put it here at the top. And then I'll add some boxes on this page as well. I'll take this one with a bird on it as well. And I'll put this one, should I put it here? Or should I put it at the bottom? No, I'll put it here. Let's see what else. I'll add this plain one. I'm going to put it here. No, I'll put it here so it's not the same as the other page. I think that looks nice. Move on to the next page. I like to put the day stickers down and the boxes, and then I know what room I've got to fill the pages with the other stickers. I'll take this one. How cute's this? It's got a little tortoise on it. And I'll take this one with the rabbit as well. If you'd like to use these stickers in your own journal, the Nature Magic sticker kit is available on my Patreon. I will put all the details in the description box for you and a link to my Patreon. If you'd like to support my work closely, you could become a Patreon member. Becoming a Patreon member helps me to continue creative journaling videos and creating sticker kits for you. I'm going to place this box here so it balances out the page. It's nice to sit down and just do this tonight because I've had a stressful day today. I've had to take my dog to the vet because I found a lump on her back. So they've given me some medication and I've got to go back in 2 weeks and she might need to have a biopsy and might have to get it removed, which is quite worrying, but hopefully it's nothing serious. Decorating my journal always relaxes me and it's just my way of getting out of my head. I hope watching my videos is nice and calming for you and you enjoy them. If you are enjoying this video, subscribing is completely free and I'd really appreciate it. Subscribing is a free way to support the channel and it makes sure you don't miss out on my future videos. Right, let's put the day stickers on these last page here. This page is a double page, so if I've not got a lot to write about on Sunday, what I'll do is write like something about the whole week, or I might even stick some photographs on the page. Right, I'm going to add this box at the top here. And then I want to add a couple more boxes on this page. I'm going to take this plain pink one and put it here in this corner. And then I'll add another one. I'll add this green one onto it like this. Right, next I want to add some of the bigger stickers that I've got. So I'm going to have a look through the spread and see where I can add some bigger stickers. I've got plenty of space on these pages, but I've got to leave room to do the writing. So I'm going to do this back page first. So let's have a look what I can put down here. I'm going to take this big sticker here of this lovely tree trunk. I'm going to trim the bottom off because it's just overlaps the page a little bit. So we'll trim this away. And that looks really pretty there. So I'm going to add a box next to this. I'll put it there like that. And then I'm going to put this green one next to it. Right, I'm going to add the other bigger stickers now. So let's see what pages I'm going to add the big ones on. I want to add these ones. I think I'll add this treehouse one on this page. I'm going to put it here, move it down a bit so it doesn't take too much of this page up. Like that. And I'll just trim the bottom off. I'm liking how this is turning out so far. Right, let's move on to another page. I'm going to add this big sticker at the top. I always enjoy at the end of the day writing in my journal, especially when it's decorated so beautifully. Just slightly lifting this sticker up because there's a little bubble in it. I want to get it down flat. There we are, that's better. Right, I'm going to go through and add some more stickers now. I always go back and forth through my spread. I'm going to add a sticker on this page. I like this owl sticker. So we're going to put this one down here in this corner. That's nice there. Right, go back to this front page. And we'll see what we can add on this page. I don't have to use all the stickers because I don't want to fill it with too many stickers, but I'm going to add some little stickers now. I'll put these dragonflies here at the top. Let's see what else I want to add. I'll add this mushroom at the bottom. Actually, I don't know if I want it. No, I'm not going to add that mushroom. What I'm going to do is going to add some lines to the page, and then I might be able to see where I need some stickers. I'm going to use this Hoo brush pen in 09, and it's called Cherry Whites. It's very light colour, so I'm not sure if it's going to show up on camera. Hopefully it does. I love adding lines to my journal. I'm using this very light colour because I don't want to take away from the beautiful stickers. I hope the lines are showing up on camera for you. It's a beautiful pale colour, this pen. I'm going to add a little dragonfly up here. I think I'll put it here. So that's them 2 pages. I think I'm finished with the pages now, and then let's move on to these 2 and see what I can add on these pages. I'm going to add the lines first. Right, I'm going to add some more stickers on this page. I'm going to take this day here. I'm going to place this in this bottom corner. I think it'll still leave me plenty of room to write about my day. Let's see what else I can add. Should I add some more dragonflies? I'll put one here next to this box. I think I'll add another one as well. I'll move on to the next page now. I'll add the lines to this page. Add a couple more stickers on this page. Let's have a look. I'm going to add a mushroom. Put this mushroom at the bottom here. And I think I need a little sticker on the other page at the top. I think I'll just put a dragonfly. That looks nice. I think there's enough stickers on them pages. Let's move on to these ones. So put this one at the top. I think that'll be a bit too much. I won't use that one yet. Let's add lines. I'm going to add another box on this page. So let's grab a box, and I'll grab a sticker to go with the box as well. Let's have a look. I like these crystals. So I'm going to lay down the box. Should I put it on this page here? I'll put it here, like that. And then I'm just going to lay the sticker down on top of it. That looks nice there. Let's see if there's another sticker to add. I'm going to add this one at the bottom here. And then I'm going to add the lines to the next page. I had a couple of little stickers on this page, and I think these pages are finished. So I'll add another dragonfly. Just going to put it here at the top. Should I add anything else? Another dragonfly maybe? Where should I put it? I'm going to put it here. Right, that's them pages done. So now we're on the last two. I'll add a couple more stickers, and then we can have a flip through the final spread. Should we add this girl? Could put her here. Yeah, I think I will do. And I'm going to add this butterfly. And I think I'll add a mushroom as well. I'll take this one and I'm going to put it here. Should I add another mushroom? Put this one here. Right, I think that's them pages finished. Just have to add the lines to these pages, and then we can have a flip through of the whole spread and see how it looks. Right, I'm finished with all the lines now. Let's have a look at the full spread. Let's go to the front. I do feel like I could add a couple of stickers on this page, just down here. Let's just add some mushrooms, and then we're finished with the stickers. Put one there. And I put one next to it, but more down. And I just trim the bottom off. Right, let's take a closer look at the pages. They look very magical, don't they? These pages. It's turned out exactly how I wanted it. And I love the colours. The colour palette is lovely. Very happy with this spread. I hope you like this spread as much as I do, and I hope that you purchase the sticker kit for yourself. And that's my finished weekly creative journal spread using my Nature Magic sticker kit. If you'd like to use the kit yourself, don't forget it's available on my Patreon. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, and hope to see you in the next video.